Okay, we got a cold start here. That gauge does work. All of the gauges function correctly. It's been sitting like 4 hours in like 34 degree weather, 33 degree weather, I think. Does alright for having at least that many miles. Probably more, because the previous owner drove it without a functional speedo for like 2 years, and then the person before that probably also drove it without a functional speedo. So it's probably it's probably getting pretty close to like 350,000, I would assume. So she does all right.